Good morning, children. So last class I've shown you how to calculate the output based on increment and decrement operators. So today we'll be learning how to rewrite the program which is written in one type into another type. So see, today our topic is rewrite the program. So today a piece of code will be given with one technique and you need to convert in other technique. Okay, so see, first type, say type 1. Type 1 is if else to ternary. Okay, and the question you will get, that's question, say if a divided by 2 double equal to 0, okay, then system dot out dot print say even number, else system dot out dot print odd number. So this is the piece of code which is given, and the question is that you need to convert, you need to rewrite this one. Okay, you need to rewrite the programs which is written in if else into ternary. So first of all, we should know what is the concept of ternary. In ternary we use question mark and colon. So after question mark, whatever is written, that is the true statement, and after colon, whatever is there, that is the false statement. So see how. So see here how we do, how we convert the programs from if else to ternary. So let us take answer. So as system.out.print, inside double inverted comma, it was even number and odd number. So to hold even number and odd number, that means there are group of characters, even, odd, odd. So to hold this group of character, we need a data type, and that sort of data type to hold this group of character is string. So string. So let us take s is equal to, first we need to give the condition. Condition was inside if, that is a modulus 2 double equal to 0. So this is the conditions. Okay, if this is the true condition, that means question mark, then what it will store? Even number. Then colon, then what it will store? Odd number. Then semicolon. So see children, how if else can be converted to ternary operators. It's very simple. The condition part will be written first as expression 1, and if this condition is true, that means after question mark the printed statement will be written there. Okay, then if this condition is false, then colon is there, another printed statement is written here. Now as you can see in that if else questions, there was system.out.print. So we need to print the statement, okay, either even number or odd number. So this even number or this odd number, either of the one, will be stored in variable s. So what we need to print is s. So we'll write here system dot out dot print, will print s over here with semicolon. So this is the type 1, that means conversion of if else to ternary. Same way you can get, okay, vice versa also, that means you can get the question in ternary, that means this part will be written and you need to convert to if else. Okay, so we can get on in the both way, that means if else to ternary as well as ternary to if else. Clear children? So now let us move to type 2. So now let us see type 2. type 2. If else to switch case. Okay, now see the question. If a double equal to 2, system dot out dot print even number, else if a double equal to 3, system dot out dot print odd number. So see children, here we have if else if. Okay, so either the value of a is 2 or the value of a is 3 given in this questions. We don't have the else part, that means there is no default part. If the value of a is 2, is printing even number. If the value of a is 3, is printing odd number. So this is on the basis of if else. Now the question is, we need to convert, we need to rewrite this one, but using switch case. So see here how we do this one. So see here how we convert, how we rewrite the programs. So switch case. Okay, so first of all we need to write switch, and we need to give the variable inside the switch. Now which variable will give? The variable which is used in a conditions, which is used inside if as well as else if. The variable was a. So pass it here. After switch, curly bracket is must, we need to give. Then case. Now see, the value of a was 2 and 3 in the questions. So first value was 2, so we'll mention here case 2, then colon. Okay, this is syntax of switch case. How we write the switch case program is syntax. Then curly bracket again. Now inside case 2, what was that? Simply a print option was there, and it was printing what? Even number. So even number. And break is compulsory. Break is the keyword used in switch case, which is used to terminate the control out of the block or loop. So see, if the value of a is 2, it's printing even number, and break stops the programs. Else if is also there, so case 3. So when the value of a is 3, what it prints? Odd number. And here also break is compulsory. So we'll close the switch. We'll not use any default value over here. Okay. So after break, we'll close this one, case as well as switch. Okay. There is no default path. We have in the question if and else if. If the value of a is 2, it's printing even number. If the value of a is 3, it's printing odd number. So in this type of question, whatever question is asked, we have to do the same thing. We don't have to use our brain to write some extra. Okay, it is simply a rewrite the programs. Clear children? So now let us move to type 3. So children, see type 3. Type 3. For to while. Children, whatever type I am teaching, okay, it can be vice versa also. That means in the previous question it was if else to switch case. Question may be from switch case to if else. Technique is same. So the question for int I is equal to 1, I less equal to 10, I plus plus system dot out dot print We'll print the value of I, then we'll close. So children, this is the syntax of writing for loop. For small letter, bracket, that is int, I value, initial value is 1, I less equal to 10, up to 10 it will go, I plus plus, increment operator, that is number of steps. And what is there inside? The statement is system.out.print. Simply the value of I has been printed. So this is the program written in for loop. Now our work is what? We need to convert this one into while loop. Okay, question may be vice versa also. That means you may get the question in while loop and you need to convert or rewrite into for loop. The logic is same, everything will be similar. Okay, just the steps how to write, that you need to remember. That is very important. That means the logic, like for loop, the first part is initialization, this is the conditions, this is number of steps, and this inside the curly bracket, that is known as statement. So in while loop, what we know, only one condition should be there, because when I had explained while loop, I've already said you the logic. Okay, that means initialization should be above the loop, condition should be in the loop, and inside the loop there will be number of steps. That is the logic. Now see that logic I'll be implementing here. Okay? So see how we write. Okay, so answer, first of all the initial part, that is int I is equal to 1. Then the condition should be inside the loop, that is while. Condition was what? In for loop, first part initialization, that I wrote up. Second part is condition or expression, that should be in the while loop. So I less equal to 10. Then directly we have to come to statement. Okay, don't write number of steps first. First you need to write the statement. So what was the statement? A print command was there. So this is known as statement. First what I wrote? Initialization, conditions, statement. Then after statement we'll write number of steps, that is I plus plus. Then we'll close the while loop. So this is the logic how we write for loop programs into while loops. Very simple. For loop, three parts are together, that is initialization, conditions, number of steps. Then inside the curly bracket we write the statement. Whereas in while loop, initialization should be above the loop, conditions should be within in the same line of the loop, then statement, then number of steps. So you may get the question in while loop, you need to convert into for loop. Logic you need to remember. Question may come from any sides, maybe for to while or while to for. Okay, so this is our type 3 type questions. That means type 1 what we learn, if else to ternary as well as ternary to if else. Type 2 if else to switch case to if else. Type 3 for loop to while loop to for loop. Now let us move to type. Now see type 4. While to do while. That means the program will be written in while loop, you need to convert it do while loop. It may be reverse also, that means from do while to while. Logic you need to remember. Question may comes from any side. So see the question. Int I is equal to 1 while I less equal to 10 system dot out dot print I the number of steps. That means the same, the previous question only. Previous solution, previous answer. Okay, that for to while one. That while I have just taken here as a question for converting to do while. So as per as the definition of while and do while, while is entry controlled, do while is exit controlled. In while loop, before entering to the statement, condition should be checked, whereas in do while loop, just reverse. While at the end, condition is checked. Means first statement execute, then condition is checked. Just reverse of while loop. Okay, so this point you need to remember. Rest is everything same. Okay, so see here how we convert the while loop programs into do while loop. So children, when you are converting, don't write the entire program, just the piece of code. Whatever is given, that same sequence you need to convert it. You need to rewrite. Don't use your brain and don't write package, class name and all, and don't write the full programs. You won't get any extra marks for that. In fact, your marks may be reduced, deducted if you do that. Rewrite means whatever is given, same part, convert it. Clear children? Now see how I'm going to convert this one to do while loop. Okay, so see here, for the conversion of while programs into do while loop. So initialization above only, same things. That was int I is equal to 1, initialization above. Then after initialization, in case of while, first condition was there. In case of do while, first statement will execute. That means first the work will be in progress. So do, then statement, okay, see here, first initialization, then statement, then number of steps. Number of steps was what? I plus plus. So do while is what? Exit controlled loop. That means when it is time to exit the loop, okay, when the curly bracket is closed for the loop, that time the condition is checked. Exit controlled loop. While is what? Entry controlled loop. Before only, and this is after. So now our work is completed. That means now we are going to exit the program. So that means condition should be checked now. Okay, so we'll write here while condition is what? I less equal to 10 and semicolon is must. When we write while loop, there is no terminations because that is the beginning. Okay, that means we have something encapsulated inside the pair of curly bracket, but here we don't have. This is exit, so we need to provide semicolon in case of do while. Okay, so now our work is completed. That means we have converted the while program into do while. So question may comes vice versa also. That means question may comes do while part, you need to convert while part. The logic you need to remember. Okay, question may comes from any side. Is this clear children? It's very important. One question will definitely come in board examinations. So go through this several times, understand it. Clear?